Right, I'm not joking, people. For the last 20 minutes, these noises have been coming out of the sky. Listen, you can hear it now. And I'm looking for the helicopter or the plane or where the noise could be coming from, but there's nothing there. It's like the sky is making the noise itself. It's like something's going on up above this canopy. We can hear it, but we can't really see it. And you're all thinking, whoa, what's this crackpot conspiracy theorist on about now? This is like War of the Worlds, people. This is a real life Hollywood movie that you're living through right now. Turn off the screens and look at the sky. Hear how loud that is? Look how scared the birds are. The birds are flying off. What are they doing up there, people? Let me know in the comment section. Have you heard the noises that's coming from the sky? And you're looking up and there's nothing to be seen.